Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Today's video we're going to make a super beautiful and delicious cake. And for sure this recipe quite simple to make, yet indeed the taste blows your mind. So let's get started! First, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the baking pan and let's prepare the ingredients. We're going to start by cracking the eggs. Then separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. In a bowl of a stand mixer, whisk the egg whites until soft pink. Meanwhile, combine sugar and water in a small size saucepan. Place over medium-high heat. Stir occasionally. And bring to a boil. Continue to whisk the egg whites and slowly add in the hot sugar water. Add in each tablespoon of oil, alternating with the egg yolks. Peel and then grate the apples. Slowly mix together until combined. Be gentle because you don't want to smash the apples. Finally, sift in and gently mix well the flour until there are no more clumps in. Pour the first half of the batter into the greased baking pan, spread evenly. Then add the apple mixture, and top with the remaining batter. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until golden brown, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Now decorate as desired. I'm going to sprinkle with powdered sugar and some fresh fruits. Ta-da! Our super beautiful and delicious cake is ready! Don't forget to try this recipe at home. Bye!